let me in now. Let me in now. Let me in now. Let me in now. There's no escape, better run, 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 run. There's no escape, better run, 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 run. There's no escape, better let me in now. There's no escape, better run.
Let me see you put your hearts up, yeah. Let me see you put your hearts up, yeah. If we give a little love, maybe we can change the world. Change the world.
Si Princess, mabait siyang bata. Talagang masasabi ko na hindi talaga siya suwael. Kumbaga parang kung ano yung makakabuti sa kanya, sinusunod niya. So kaya hindi po ako nag-worry sa kanya. And then, kumbaga, magaling talaga siya sa school. Napakasipag niyang bata. So, ang masasabi ko lang, Princess, kasi 18 ka na, so anak, yung kumbaga parang dalaga stage na. Pero alam ko naman na kayang-kaya mo to. And then yung mga dreams mo, ma-achieve mo kasi matalino ka, maganda, and then confident. So, yun lang, anak.
Let me see you put your hearts up, yeah. Let me see you
Put your hands together to Miss Princess Mika Sandra Daliga.
we can change the world. Change the world. Wishing a world.
Hello, Princess. Si Princess, isa sa mga malambing na bata. Kahit na 18 na siya, isa sa mga masarap sa pakiramdam bilang isang ama, nung parang may baby ka ba, alam mo yun. Kaya so, proud na proud ako sa anak ko dahil hindi lang naman sa amin siya malambing, kundi sa lahat ng aming family. Kaya masasabi ko, napakabuti niyang bata and may gusto siyang marating sa kanyang mga pangarap. Kaya pagpatuloy mo lang yan, anak, at mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy.
Sing it if you with me on your voice. If you with me on your voice, I know you got. Let me see you put your hearts up. Let me see you put your hearts up.
Ito sa'yo, hindi ko tidaan yan. Tip sa'yo sa magandang debutante ito, unang-una, kapuso ng pag-aaral. Diba? Maging mabait na bata, pero alam kong mabait na bata ka na, pero mas igihan pa. Mas mabait pa. Diba? Maging masunurin sa magulang. Yan lang. Happy birthday! Alright. Lagi kong pinipray yung health mo. Yan lang. At saka, mahal na mahal kita. Alam ko naman, anak mo, lahat talaga ng pangarap ay matutupad kasi mabait ka at saka matalino, maganda. Thank you, Lord, kasi binigay ka sa amin talaga. So, yun lang. I love you, anak.
If we give a little love, maybe we can change the world. We can change the world. We can change the world. Sing it if you with me on your voice. Voice of God. Let me see you put your heart. Let me see you put your heart. Put your heart. Let me see you put your heart up. Give a little love, maybe we can change the world.
Ayun, happy birthday muna. Happy 18th birthday, Princess. As a kuya, hindi ako mag-sawang palitin. Saka bantayan and also gabayan. Bantayan, gabayan. And, dito na ako lalo.